Hey everyone, Dave with Projects Around. Good morning. Today we've got several things going on, and we rented a large piece of equipment to help us do it. So I'll film each one a little bit separately so the video doesn't get too long, but we'll be using the same piece of equipment on 3 different jobs. So let me show you what we're doing. Hey guys, this is a piece of equipment we rented for the Walkway project. This is a Veermeer 7760. Actually it's the S800TX. That must be the number from the renter, the 7760. What it cost us, Ray, for 8 hours worth of use?
$250.
$250. All right. We're going to do a bunch of different projects with this, but this is the one that we're going to use for the project up front. Last September, Ray and I took out the old concrete walkway, and then right in this area right here, kind of hard to see, there's a little depression there. The grass is kind of darker. There was a giant flower box with a welcome light in it, made out of brick, and it had been falling apart. So we got rid of that. We hauled both of those off. So we're going to put the new stairs right here, and we outlined it in orange. All right, and then that all goes, and that all goes where the X is, and then this is going to get peeled back. Last night when we got the mini skid steer, I took out a little bit of a scoop here just to see how it worked. So we're going to haul off a lot of this dirt. There'll be a wall that goes in here, and then behind it will be drain tile that'll dump out on the street, and that'll be picking up the water from the downspout. So that's the project at hand today. We'll get started in just a moment. Okay, so we're back at it this morning. I just threw a couple blocks in there to hold that pipe in place. This here is going to get filled. Right now we just threw some gravel in there, but this is going to get filled with a CA6 or gravel. This whole base will, where this wall will eventually go. But we'll run this pipe out. We got another section. I haven't picked it up yet because I didn't need it to do what we're doing right yet. But that pipe will come out here. It'll poke through the wall and then drain out into the street. So we're going to get started this morning on getting this framed up. and got this all ready to go. The steel's in, and then I have the rebar so we can pin it to the front porch. So the only thing I have to do, the concrete truck will be here in about an hour, is we have to move my wife's decorations out of the way and get ready for the pour. So when he gets here, we'll get started. There it is, all done. So we'll strip the forms off of it tomorrow. That was a lot of work, but it's kind of fun to do. We got it done, it looks good. Mama's happy with it. As you saw, we brushed it and then edged it. Ray is back here, he's cleaning up everything. So Ray, what did you think about doing concrete work?
Well, for the first time it was fun. I wouldn't do it again.
So we took some of the extra because we got 2 yards and we didn't need quite 2 yards. So we just made this little pad over here along the fence where we put the garbage cans so they sit level. And then we let the kids put their handprints. So that one there is mine, Carter's, Luca, and Ray. And I think Carter put another one. Yeah, that's another Carter one there. All right, so this is done here. I have a finished troweling I need to do in about an hour on those, but you'll be able to walk on them tomorrow. They'll set up overnight. So there we go. Another project's around. It's a good way to save money. Now, just to let you know, if we had done this by bags of concrete, 40-pound bags of concrete, would have taken 85 bags. Ray, what were they, like $6 a bag?
Yeah, it ended up coming out to like 500 and something.
It was a little over 500 and something bucks, if you figure in tax and such. If we had hand mixed it on a truck, delivered, 2 yards of concrete cost me $389. So it was much easier to do it that way. It already comes mixed. The driver was really cool and helped us out. So we want to thank United Ready Mix in Peoria for doing a great job for us. So thanks for joining us for another Projects Around. If you like it, give us a big thumbs up, smash that like button. Thanks, subscribe, and we'll see you again some other time.